case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
This high-stakes case centered on whether the clinic could be held liable for Dr. Brewer's actions that allegedly led to the Maclay's separation. The clinic admitted to Dr. Brewer's indiscretions but vehemently denied any liability for the damages that ensued, considering they claimed not to be informed about Brewer's actions until the lawsuit was filed. In its defense, the clinic submitted an affidavit from its executive committee to the effect that the committee, responsible for setting partnership policy, had not authorized Dr. Brewer's actions. They also constantly monitored personnel but were not required to do so. The plaintiff, however, contradicted this with an affidavit stating that he queried the chairman of the clinic, Dr. Mavis Kelsey, about Dr. Brewer's alleged affair with his wife. Dr. Kelsey's response possibly implied the clinic's awareness of the situation, and arguably an insinuation that the clinic condoned Dr. Brewer's actions. The Court of Civil Appeals, however, disagreed with the clinic's defense, arguing that it had a duty of care to its patients. If the clinic has information indicating that there is a need for preventive action, it must use reasonable options available to prevent any partner or its employee from misusing their position at the detriment of its patients. This especially becomes pertinent if the questionable conduct happened on its premises or while acting as a representative of the clinic elsewhere. The court, however, stated that the evidence provided by both parties made it unclear whether the clinic had control over Dr. Brewer's actions on duty, and whether they could have prevented the damage when the chairman, Dr. Kelsey, first became aware. Since the clinic did not conclusively establish that it was not liable, the appellate court chose to affirm the civil appeals judgment, effectively setting the stage for a trial. This landmark case put corporate responsibility under the spotlight, bringing to the forefront the question of how far a company's duty toward its patrons extended in the law's eyes.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.